Good evening, one and all. In just 5 minutes, we will proudly present the wonderful world of animation, where we'll invite you to celebrate more than 90 years of Disney and Pixar animation. For you to fully enjoy tonight's performance, the lighting in this area...
Every star in Hollywood has gathered to see Mickey's latest sensational picture. Just hear those people cheer. And look, there he is, the star himself, Mickey Mouse. And there's his sweetheart, Minnie Mouse. Aren't the two of them just a cat's meow? Just don't tell Pluto. Let's take a look inside the theater.
Tonight is about family.
But they say if you dream a thing more than once, it's sure to come true. She's in love.
We got to create the mood. I've never felt this way about anyone. It's me. It is me. I just love happy endings.
What have we here? It's a sparkly, shiny... Oh, it's a human!
I'm already happy. Got the coolest friend in the world. Man, I don't feel very relaxed anymore.
You certainly are not, friendo. We are in the internet.
across the enchanted lands and into the unknown.
Promise me we do this together, okay?